Hi kids, it's Mrs. Fravel again. I just wanted to pop in and make sure you guys understand how to do this assignment. So if you have read all of the things and you're still not quite sure what this looks like, here we go. I will show you. Okay, for this assignment, I want you to take what I talked about in the pelagic environment PowerPoint lecture and tie it into some of the animals. Take a look at just generally some of the animals that exist at each depth in the ocean. I'm going to have you find just three animals. That's it. No big deal, right? No problem. What you're going to do is you're going to find one animal per open ocean zone. Now we're only going to do the top 3 zones of the pelagic. So we're going to do one animal in the epipelagic zone, one animal in the mesopelagic zone, and one animal in the bathypelagic zone. And what you're going to do is you're going to build a Google slide presentation. One slide per animal should be plenty, but I guess if you need 2, that's fine. But just 3 animals, okay? What you're going to do again, build a Google Slides presentation. I would like you to title it How Deep, okay? And make a title page and then start your epipelagic animal. Oh, my computer's being slow. Okay, so you'll do epipelagic animal, and then you'll also do a mesopelagic, bathypelagic, right? Okay, so how do you know which animals are where? Here's how. Down here at the bottom, we have this link for this website, the Deep Sea. You guys, this is an awesome website. It's so fun. This guy has built this to show the average or maximum depths for animals that live in the open ocean pelagic animals. So how you run this is you can just scroll straight down. This white line right along there, that is how deep you are. And what that means is that is how deep that animal dives. So for instance, if we look at the manatee, oh, I love manatees, you guys. I love them so much, but they are basically just floaty potato animals. They can only dive to about 4 meters. They live in very shallow, very warm seas. They munch on seagrass, so they don't have to dive very deep because seagrass can't grow very deep. So that's the maximum depth for them. But as you scroll down, you'll see that depth counter go, and it will show you how deep all of the animals can go. So polar bears, they dive down to about 26 meters. And this surprised me because I have a clownfish. I've never seen her go very deep. Clownfish can go to 34 meters deep. There are deep anemones, and that's what they're doing, okay? So again, you're just gonna keep scrolling down, look at all the animals, and pick one per zone that interests you. How do you know where the zone's in? So this is the epipelagic zone. Okay, and I've actually listed the depths for you. So the epipelagic zone goes down to 200 meters. So if you keep scrolling down, ooh, look, orca. Ooh, look, sea lions, you guys. Oh, sea turtle, love them, right? And that is right there, 200 meters deep. So that is the end of the epipelagic. So you would pick one of the animals from above that line to do your epipelagic animal. And then what does that mean? You will pick your animal. You will tell me on your Google slide for that animal, the animal's common name and its scientific name. Remember, the scientific name is its genus and species. And how do you find that? I am so glad you asked. Here's how easy that is. You simply put into the Google, let's say we're going to do green sea turtle, scientific, look at even autofills, you guys. Okay? Green sea turtle scientific name, it will tell you right there. Okay. Genus, species. Simple. Okay. What else are you going to do? So animal's common name, scientific name, grab a picture. You can also hit image on that. Images. There you go. Oh man, they're cute. Look how cute they are. So many cute things. Anyway, and then you're going to, number 2, you're going to tell me where are they found? Which ocean basins in particular, or are they found in all of the ocean basins? Are they great migrators? Green sea turtles are found in the Pacific and the Atlantic. They're everywhere. And then we have the maximum depth that that animal can reach. And for the green sea turtle, whoop, look at that, 174 meters is how deep those puppies can go. And then the atmospheric pressure at that depth. You might have to do some math. Green sea turtles, let's say, just for easy math's sake, let's say that they dive to 200 meters or so. Every 10 meters is 1 atmosphere, right? So 200 meters deep, that's going to be 20 atmospheres. Okay. 20 times 10. Okay. And then which density zone is it in? Is it in the surface density zone, the pycnocline density zone, or the deep ocean density zone? And those are on the PowerPoint. Okay. All right. So easy. So put that all on a slide here. So I would do green sea turtle, put in a picture, da-da-da. And then you're going to do that same thing for a mesopelagic animal, and then again for a bathopelagic animal. And on this website, the mesopelagic is called the twilight zone, and the, boy, here we go. We're diving, hold on. Oh, the midnight zone is what they call the bathopelagic here. No, something. Okay. Oh, look, you guys, beaked whales. They're cute too. Sperm whale. You guys, there's so many cool things in the ocean. I love it. Anywho. Okay, so you're going to do each of those. So you're going to pick one animal from each of those zones, also build slides for them, and then let's just make sure everybody knows how to submit these. Do not do this. Do not highlight the URL and copy it. Don't do that, okay? What you need to do is come over to this shiny yellow button that says share. Click that. Click get a shareable link. Do not type my name in that box. Please do not type my name in that box. It floods my email box with things, and then I miss messages. So don't put my name there. Click get a shareable link. Now that is the one you copy. And then you paste it on the assignment. On your page, you will have a submit button up here. Click submit. That's where you paste that link. Okay. I know you guys know how to do this. I know that you've been doing it for years, but just in case you've forgotten because it's Corona. Okay. All right. If you have any other questions, if you really can't figure this out, please come see me in the Google Meet. I'm lonely. I miss you guys. I want to see your faces. So come see me. Google Meet, put in Fravel Bio, all one word, and I have office hours posted on the homepage. So come see me and get your homework done. Read all of the things. Watch my awesome video. Do the assignment and then go take the quiz. Okay? Okay. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.